In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emoji or icon on Trello list and card. Emojis are a simple way to make your boards easier to scan, highlight priorities, and bring a little clarity and personality to your workflow. I'll walk you through the exact process and share a few quick tips to keep everything clean and consistent. First, open Trello and head to your boards page. This is where all your boards live, so you can quickly pick the one you want to work in. Once you're there, click the board where you want to add an emoji. This opens the board view with your lists and cards laid out in columns. Next, go to the list where you want your new card. Click. Add a card at the bottom of that list. You'll see a text field appear ready for your card title. Place your cursor in that field so you're typing into the card name. Now it's time to insert an emoji. On Windows, press the Windows key and the period key together. That opens the built-in emoji picker. On Mac, press Control, Command, and Space together to open the emoji viewer. You can scroll through categories or use the search bar to find what you need fast. Try terms like urgent, bug, idea, or check. Click the emoji you want and it will be inserted right into the card title. You can add it at the beginning for quick visual scanning, sprinkle it within the text, or add one at the end. A single, meaningful emoji is usually best for readability, but you can add more if it fits your system. When you're happy with the title, click Add Card to create it. You'll see the emoji render immediately in the list, so it's easy to spot at a glance. If you prefer keyboard flow, pressing Enter will also add the card. A couple of tips to keep your boards tidy. Choose a small set of emojis and use them consistently, like a fire for urgent, a light bulb for ideas, or a check mark for done. Make sure the emoji stands out against your board background and is clear in both light and dark mode. And remember, the same shortcut works anywhere you can type in Trello, so you can use emojis in descriptions, comments, and even list names to create a simple visual language for your team. That's all there is to it. Open your board, click Add a Card, use the emoji picker shortcut for your device, choose your icon, and add the card. Simple, fast, and surprisingly powerful.